White washing machine and get cleaner, fresher clothes every day. The Whirlpool White Magic Elite Top-Load Washing Machine is equipped with the advanced Sixth Sense technology that senses the wash requirements and automatically executes the appropriate wash cycle to give you the perfect wash. This machine is equipped with smart sensors which can automatically sense and indicate low voltage and water conditions. These sensors can also sense the weight of the laundry inside the tub and recommend detergent dosage accordingly. Its unique power scrub action creates superior agitations that helps in knocking off tough dirt to give a thorough wash every time. The clothes rub against the 1. Drum, 2. Agipella bottom and 3. Agipella. The Whirlpool White Magic Elite washing machines are programmed with an automatic tub clean feature. During every spin cycle, at the end of drain, this machine starts spinning with water and creates a centrifugal action which cleans the tub of any impurities or dirt. Also, with the zero pressure fill technology, this tub fills 50% faster even when the pressure is as low as 0.017 MPa. Invisible to the naked eye, the advanced magic lint filter automatically collects and cleans the lint from the machine during the spin cycle of every wash with the help of its centrifugal force. This automatic feature removes the need for any manual intervention from your side. Whirlpool White Magic washing machine comes with an easy-to-use 3-button control panel to take care of your washing needs. Other important feature of this machine is Express Water Wash, which reduces wash time for less soiled clothes, thereby saving energy and detergent. This machine also gives you the option of washing your clothes in hard water without compromising on softness and color of your clothes. By allowing a 3 to 24 hours delay in the wash cycle, the Delay Wash program enables you to set the time for your laundry to finish as per your convenience. One of the most unique features of this machine that it allows reuse of water so that the same water can be used for the next wash load. This machine comes with a child lock that ensures no button is operated if child lock is activated. Easy to use operate panel, no worry of water spilling on the control panel. The washing machine comes with a brand warranty of 2 years on product and 5 years on motor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience.